I've got this new tank set up for them. I'm scared by moving them, I might stress them out and kill them. I've never done this before. I usually raise babies with the parents. See if it's just a lighting issue. The lighting, when I cover up the lights, it still looks weird, but it's still lighter. I'm gonna move some of these guys into their new home for a while. A lot of these guys didn't look good, as I pointed out earlier. I'm gonna take maybe half of them because I'm afraid if I leave them in here that they might all die. At least this way I'm splitting them. I'm also afraid that since this is a new tank, that they might not acclimate to the new water also, so giving me better chance for survival since this is our first batch and I don't have any experience with them. But some of them do look good. Maybe a third or fourth of them look healthy. They look darker, but for some reason the lighter ones, I don't know if they're younger, not as developed, but they don't look as good. They're not swimming as fast. Their tails aren't wiggling as fast. They're more like lethargic. So I'm hoping if I move some into the new fish tank, maybe the new water will invigorate them. But here we go. Okay, look at them in their new home. Okay, they're swimming around. A lot of them are, at least. They seem more active. Look at these guys, this group right here. Let's see if any guys are in the... There's some of the plants here. No, someone's going in the cave already. Oh, looks like all the ones that I put in are surviving. Well, there's a couple. That guy there doesn't look, well, he's barely moving, but there's that bloated look, so I don't know about him. But here's the old guys in the jar. That guy looks strong. Okay, there's the first really one I had that swims. I nicknamed him Superman. He goes everywhere. Look at him go. I don't know where is he going, but he's the only one that swims right now, but he likes it. That is the new tank. Look at him go. Well, hopefully Superman makes it, or at least one of them makes it. But it's fair to say the new tank is doing them well. Unless he's swimming for his life and hates it right now, but I don't think so. Come on, buddy. I'm swimming. Look at him go. Pioneer. Look at all his buddies. They're not really going anywhere. Just kind of wiggling around on the ground there. Some of them look like they're asleep. And there's the originals. Still see some tail waggling. The live ones always seem to congregate into that corner. And a lot of those guys in the back don't look so good. I think maybe I should move them all, because they just don't look good in there. Look at this guy here. I believe he's eating. He's been sticking around this same spot and he's munching on something up there.